Now, as I said, some functions don't need inputs or outputs. So here's an example of a function that I've written that doesn't take any inputs and it doesn't pass back any outputs either. So here I've got a function called say hello. You'll see there are no inputs, but I still have to use my brackets, so I just simply open and close them. And all this function is going to do is print these 3 lines of text. So there's no output. There's an output to the screen, but there's no output passed back to the code. So when I call that function, I can just give the name. I don't need to put anything in the brackets because it's not expecting anything. In fact, if I do, it'll throw an error because it's not expecting anything. And similarly, I don't need to assign anything to a variable because nothing's getting passed back. So I can just use the name of the function and open and close brackets. So this is similar to the print function you've already used, where you just say print open brackets, and you can, of course, with the print functions I mentioned last week, you can open and close brackets because there are optional inputs on a print function, and if you don't pass in any, it'll just create a new line.